A stunning story has emerged today involving radical allegations against the Duke and Duchess of Sussex regarding stolen antiquities from Arundel Castle while they were designated to control the estate. Let's just back it up for a second, shall we? Right about now in 2022, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle were named as keepers of Arundel Castle in West Sussex by the current Duke of Norfolk, who owns the estate. To be clear, Arundel Castle is more than 900 years old and contains an extraordinary collection of priceless antiquities. Basically, if it's old and valuable, it's inside, from treasured artifacts and paintings to furniture and more. So for the estate to be maintained, preserved and protected by Harry and Meghan, it was a rather significant duty, given its massive cultural value and history. Per the norm, about 6 months into their role, according to reports, the Sussexes' time at Arundel Castle, looking after its operations and guiding its extensive program of restoration projects, has been grossly called into question by the stunning and very serious allegations made against the couple today. It was evidently just discovered by the Duke of Norfolk that over £4 million worth of artworks and other antiquities, in fact, employed in various collections throughout the castle during the very period that Prince Harry and Meghan held their esteemed positions, had gone missing from the estate, rather inexplicably. The missing items themselves include 27 famous paintings, 3 magnificent suits of armor, and a significant collection of gold goblets and historic dinner plates among the purloined items. And so an immediate probe was launched to find out exactly what happened and how such a gross act of theft literally took place right underneath the very noses of the once trusted Sussex couple. This bit of intrigue has stunned the loyal and the crown. Arundel Castle is a venerable historical edifice highly regarded and beloved by the people of England. The collection is believed to be worth a huge fortune and represents generations of historical and artistic contributions. The discovery that key pieces have been plundered raises huge questions about the security, management and any role played by the Sussexes. Both Harry and Meghan have categorically denied they had any knowledge of or involvement in anything that might be considered a theft. Their spokesman said, "The Duke and Duchess of Sussex were not interviewed and would not be expected to know or to be involved in any personal interventions involving the royal collection." More circumstantial evidence has however raised eyebrows of the Sussexes' conduct while they around were running the castle. Firstly, its timing is damning. There will be question marks over the sudden disappearance of such a substantial chunk of the collection over 6 months when the Duke and Duchess were running the castle. Secondly, renovators have highlighted the lack of oversight and security protocols during the works. Inside sources describe a free-for-all during the work. There were workers coming in and out and there was no record of who was going where in those areas of the castle. The workers were literally going where they wanted to go in those areas and nothing specific was carved out during the work about who was allowed to go to which areas of the castle. Sue. Thirdly, there are those who see the entire episode as yet another example of Harry and Meghan's actions since leaving royal duties and departing to the United States. Their refusal to follow the usual royal protocols has led some royal watchers to speculate that they may have felt able to do so this time too. Predictably, these remain mere claims without evidence at this stage. The police investigation is ongoing and there have been no formal allegations yet against any suspects. Fingerprints and security camera tape are reportedly now being studied. Harry and Meghan have already volunteered to be interviewed and given their alibis. The couple's lawyers said they remain passionate about seeing the artifacts recovered and the guilty party brought to justice for such an apparent blow to Britain's heritage. Tensions obviously continue to run high. It seems the Duke of Norfolk will not withdraw his sensational allegations until incontrovertible evidence appears to the contrary. It's understandable that so many public figures have decried the Sussexes being ruled out as persons of interest so soon in such a major theft. Still, others argue that they are now subject to a trial by tabloid before law enforcement can sort a few things out. The arrival of more evidence and witness testimony should begin to reveal the truth. Whether the couple are ultimately exonerated or implicated will obviously have significant ramifications for their public image, relationships within the royal family, and any incipient designs by either to step back into their old ceremonial shoes. For now, the first priority is, of course, making sure these exquisite antiquities are retrieved. However long it takes. While we wait for the rumors and scandals to run their course, let's hope that a factual, no stone unturned investigation is able to get to the bottom of what happened at Arundel Castle. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments on this developing story. For now, I'm signing off, but we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.